It's Steve and Maggie.
Where is it? Where is it? Oh, where can it be? Hey, boys and girls, it's that time of year again that we put up a Christmas tree. But I can't find my Christmas tree. No, there it is. Great. It's that time of year again that we put up a Christmas tree. Achoo! Oh dear! Well, hey, I found my Christmas tree. Yeah, and it's good enough for one more year. Oh!
It's that time of year again that we put up a Christmas tree. I've got a new Christmas tree for Steve because his old tree is always good enough for one more year.
Oh, that's better. Hey, do you like my Christmas tree? Yeah? No? Well, it'll be better when we get the decorations out. Do you love Christmas just like me? Yeah! Christmas decorations, where are they? Ooh, ha-ha! Get the decorations out. Do you love Christmas just like me? Oh, no! Oh, where are the Christmas decorations now? Oh, in here? Oh. Oh, no, I can't put that on my Christmas tree. Oh, in here. Oh, no, that's for Halloween. In here. Oh, yeah, I found the Christmas decorations. Oh, but I'd better tidy up first. Oh.
Ta-da! Hey, what's missing? Yeah, decorations. Time for some Maggie magic. Abracadabra! Get the decorations out. Do you love Christmas just like me?
And this goes here. Oh, look at my Christmas tree now. It's good, isn't it? With bells and baubles. What? What's a bauble? Oh, this is a bauble. Oh, it's funny to say bauble, isn't it? Bauble, bauble, bauble. Yeah. Okay. And of course, this is a bell. It's a bell. It's a bell. It's a bell. Yeah. Now my tree just needs some tinsel. Where's the tinsel? Oh, it's here. Tinsel, tinsel, tinsel. Lots of tinsel. Yeah. So, let's decorate the Christmas tree with tinsel, bells and baubles. Hey.
Wow! Tinsel, bells, and baubles! Woohoo! We're ready to decorate the tree! Yeah! Decorate the Christmas tree with tinsel, bells, and baubles! What about Steve's tree? Is it still good enough for one more year?
Ta-da! Isn't my Christmas tree great? And it's good enough for one more year. But I've saved the best for last. The star! The star, the star, the star! Which goes on top of the Christmas tree. Yeah! Put the star upon the top and catch it if it wobbles. Aha! Oh no! Oh no! Look at my Christmas tree! I've ruined Christmas! Oh.
No, silly Steve! Follow me for a Christmas surprise!
A Christmas surprise?
Yeah.
Wow! Oh, what a magnificent Christmas tree! That'll be good enough for 10 more years! Oh, Maggie, you're not always a naughty, naughty bird, are you?
Silly Steve, the star isn't on top yet!
Oh, yeah! Let's do it! Yay!
It's that time of year again that we put up a Christmas tree. Get the decorations out. Do you love Christmas just like me? Decorate the Christmas tree with tinsel, bells and baubles. Put a star upon the top and catch it if it wobbles. finished.
Wow, such a big sweet for me. Oh, there's another one. Yay, I've got 2. No, 3. Oh, hi, boys and girls, look. Oh, I've found 3 sweets in the forest. Hey, is this Maggie being a naughty, naughty bird? Where is she? Oh, wow, look! A gingerbread house! Is it real? Let's go and see! Yeah! Wow! It is real! And it looks delicious! So, should I, boys and girls? Yeah? Oh, what is it? What is it? It's whipped cream! Yummy, yummy! Whipped cream finger, where are you? Here I am, I love you! Oh! Look inside! It's amazing! Come on, let's go! What was that? Was it Maggie? Oh, where is that naughty bird? She must be inside. Yeah. Oh, wow! This place is amazing! What's that? What's in there? What's in there? Come on, let's find out. Hey, what is it, girls and boys? It looks like jelly. Ooh. It feels like jelly. It is jelly. Ooh. Jelly finger, where are you? Here I am, I love you! Yeah, jelly! Yum! Oh! Jelly in the ear! Oh, silly me, it was just the door. Oh, hey, look, a pink cloud. Let's check it out. Hey, what is it? Oh, should I, boys and girls? Yeah. It's candy floss, yummy! So this is a candy floss machine. Oh, another candy floss cloud. Hey, watch this. Oh, yeah! Look, it's candy floss finger. Yeah! Sing with me, boys and girls. Candy floss finger, where are you? Here I am, I love you! Oh yeah, I really love candy floss.
No,
it's delicious.
Steve, it's mine!
What? Hey? Oh, did a naughty bird just eat my candy floss? Where is... Ooh, ice cream! Yay! Yummy! I want ice cream in my tummy. Okay. Okay, let's try it. It's delicious ice cream. Hey, sing with me, boys and girls. Yeah! Ice cream finger, where are you? Here I am, I love you! Yeah!
Whoa! Yeah! No more ice cream for Steve!
Delicious! More ice cream! Hey! Where are you going? Oh no! My bottom! Oh, what's in there? Oh, chocolate! Yeah! Oh, chocolate is my favorite treat. Get ready and sing with me. Chocolate finger, where are you? Here I am, I love you! Yeah! More chocolate! Oh, great! Yay! Hey! What was that? Was it The witch of the gingerbread cottage?
No, it's me!
Oh, Maggie, it's you!
Yeah.
Oh, try some of this chocolate. It's delicious.
Oh, Steve, wake up! Wake up, Steve! Steve, wake up! Steve, wake up!
Oh, sorry, Maggie. Wow, I had such a crazy dream about a gingerbread house. You were there too. Hey, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Hey, it's my birthday. Great to see you here, boys and girls. Yay. Where's Maggie? Oh, don't tell me she forgot it's my birthday.
No!
Oh, wow! It's from Maggie. Look, it says, it's your birthday today. Follow your nose to come and play. Well, my nose is pointing this way, so let's follow my nose. Follow your nose, see which way it goes. Whoa! Look at this present, boys and girls. It's huge. Oh, wow! Wow! Is this present really for me? Yeah, look, it says, for Steve. That's me! Whoa! What's inside? What is it? What is it? There's only one way to find out, and that's to have a look. So, shall I look? Shall I look? Yeah? Okay. Wow! I don't believe it! Oh, you won't believe it! It's unbelievable! Oh, let me show you, Come on, we can open it together. Yeah! Okay, count to 3 with me. Come on. 1, 2, 3! Oh, look! It's a helicopter! A toy helicopter! Come on, let's play! Yeah! Wow, what a great toy helicopter! Oh, but I wish it could fly.
Okay, abracadabra!
Oh, it's moving! Up, and away! Oh, yeah! Oh, wow! I'm flying! This is great! Hey, boys and girls, what is it? Yeah! It's a helicopter! It's a helicopter! Come on, sing with me! What is it? It's a helicopter. Oh, what is it? It's a helicopter. Hey, what is it? It's a helicopter. Come and have fun with Maggie and me. Oh, if only Maggie was here to fly with me. Oh, a message from Maggie. Look, it says your next present is yellow. It's down below. Let's look for a yellow present down below. Shout out if you can see it. The yellow present. Can you see the yellow present anywhere? I can't. Where is that yellow present? What? You saw the yellow present? Where? Oh, back there. Come on, let's go. Oh, I can see it. You're right, boys and girls. There is the yellow present. Let's go down. Yeah. Oh, another birthday present for me. Yay. Wow. The yellow present is even bigger! What's inside? Let's have a look! Yay! Oh, yeah! Oh, no! Oh, wow! That looks amazing! Come on, boys and girls, let's go for a ride! Yeah! Woohoo! Ready, steady, go! Oh, nothing can stop us in this. No. What is it, boys and girls? What is it? Yeah, it's a monster truck. Say it with me. Come on. It's a monster truck. Yay! Sing with me. What is it? It's a monster truck. Oh, what is it? It's the monster truck. Yeah, what is it? It's a monster truck. Come and have fun with Maggie and me. Oh, Maggie would love driving in this monster truck. Where is she? Oh, another text. I better stop. Oh, it's from Maggie. Look, it says the next present is red. It's above your head. Look out for a red present. Where is it? Can you see it?
Oh, Steve.
Really? Where? Where is it?
Silly.
No! There it is!
Yeah.
Come on, let's go and open the red present! Yay! Oh, hooray! We found the red present! Oh, I'm so excited to look inside. What is it? What is it? Oh.
What is it? What is it? Wow!
Oh, no way! Amazing! It's a sports car! Oh, wow! Come on, say with me, boys and girls. It's a sports car. It's a sports car. It's a sports car. It looks really fast. Come on, let's go for a drive. Oh, yeah! Here we go! This is the best birthday ever! Driving a fast red sports car? Oh, yeah! Come on, sing with me, boys and girls. Woohoo!
What is it? It's a sports car. What is it? It's a sports car. What is it? It's a sports car. Come and have fun with Maggie and me.
Oh! Oh, another message.
Yeah.
It's from Maggie. Look, it says the next present is green, but it's hard to be seen. Okay, let's keep going, but keep a lookout for the green present. Oh! Okay, can you see it? Can you see the green present? It's hard to be seen. What? You saw it where? Back there? Oh, okay. I can see it, yeah. Ah, there it is! The green present. I wonder what it is. Oh, look! It's the green present. We found it. It was hard to be seen because it's green. Hey, I wonder what's inside. Oh, it's moving. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, wow! It's a jetpack! Oh! It's a jetpack! It's a jetpack! It's a jetpack! Oh! This is amazing! I'm flying with a jetpack! Oh, yeah! Hey, sing with me!
What is it? It's a jetpack. What is it? It's a jetpack. What is it? It's a jetpack. Come and have fun with Maggie and me.
Oh, wow! Oh, hey, another text message? Oh, it's from Maggie. Look, it says, "Happy birthday, Steve. Let's eat cake. Join me here down by the lake." Oh, and there's the lake. Come on, let's go. Ho-ho! Whoa, look out, Maggie. I'm coming down. Oh, wow. Oh, that was amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, Maggie, thank you for an awesome birthday.
No problem. Oh, but here's your cake. Abracadabra.
Oh, yeah. Cake by the lake. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Steve!
Oh, yeah.